Yeah, everybody was talking about doing a Michael Jackson tribute, and we didn't have Michael Jackson tribute, but we were thinking about doing like a Michael Jackson ringtone tribute. So we could just do like 5 seconds of our favorite Michael Jackson songs.
Good idea.
You'd be like, the phone's ringing. Right, or you could get a... By the way, that's as far as we got in our Michael Jackson ringtone tribute. Oh yeah, man. I heard you put the doubt down. Guys, we're on the radio, for God's sake. All of New York is listening to us putter around.